Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related dictations. Be ready for the legal passage for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana subordinate court stenographer exam. Start. The land shall continue to vest in the government till the return of the compensation in terms of clause 14 by the landowner to the government, full stop. Any party aggrieved by the decision of the government determining the compensation to the landowners on account of damages, if any, sustained by him due to acquisition of land and oblig or the extent of compensation of being provided alternate land bracket along with payment of damages if any as applicable bracket close in case of part utilization of acquired land or in case of any encumbrances created on oblig against the acquired land or part thereof, they shall be entitled to make a claim for the same before the Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Authority as notified by the state government under section 51 of the Right to Fair Compensation and Transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2013 within a period of 90 days from the date of notification or from the date of applicability of the present policy, full stop stanza. The provisions of Limitation Act, Code of Civil Procedure, and the Evidence Act shall apply to such proceedings. Full stop stanza. This policy shall become effective from the date of its notification. Full stop stanza. The perusal of the original file produced by the state for the Sirsa acquisition would go on to show that only on account of an interim order dated 14/3/2018 passed in since the state had been directed to make payment of rupees 84 lakh 70,000 on 28/2018, the opinion was given that either to make payment as per the interim order or to return the land to the landowners or give them alternative land as per section 101A, while noting that the acquisition proceedings were complete and it was left to the HSVP to take a decision, full stop. On 27/8/2018, the CCF HSVP proposed that the award number 7 passed on 12/1/2011 may be denotified as the land is not financially viable for floating of sectors, full stop. It connected petitions was also noticed that out of rupees 254.51 crores, the amount of rupees 229.58 crores have been paid to landowners, which has to be recovered from the landowners, full stop. Resultantly, in anticipation of approval of the government, a proposal was put that compensation amount already paid may be ordered to be recovered within 30 days from the issuance of the notification and publication, and recovery be effected as arrears of land revenue, full stop. Thereafter, the then chief minister had asked for the benefit of the advice of the learned advocate general, full stop, and over. सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी विद फ्लक्चुएशन फॉर पंजाब एंड हरियाणा सबऑर्डिनेट कोर्ट एग्जाम के लिए। तो अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशन लाइक दिस।